In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now select Set Screen Lock here. Choose other screen lock types and tap on the best one for you. Forwarded pin, custom pin, password or pattern. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner, or to redo it, click on this button at the bottom left one. And once you're ready, repeat it to confirm it. Then hit OK. If you want to add your fingerprint right away, choose Record in the pop-up. If you don't, hit Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!